Welcome. In front of me is a SHARP Aquos S2, and today I will show you how to enable the developer options. So to start off, we want to open up the settings app. As you can see, mine is right here, but you can also find it by pulling down the notification panel, and you will see this little gear icon right here. You just tap on it and you go straight to the settings. So from here, scroll all the way down into About Phone, which is the last option, and then find build number. As you can see, mine is right here, and tap on it 7 times. You get a little message to 1, you are now a developer. And if you go back 1 step, now above the About Phone you have developer options. So you basically here find all the developer options as the name would imply, but there are also other things that you might find useful, like shortening the animation speeds, which would be somewhere right here, animation scale, duration, and transition. So you can just switch that to whatever you like. Mind you that, for instance, 1 is the default, 0.5 is half, and off is just non-existent animations. So yeah. Yep. So there's also some USB configuration if, let's say, you want to change some of that, how the device behaves when you connect it with the PC. But that's basically how you would enable it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.